Hi, I'm Nicole from Taunton, Massachusetts. I've worked with NEWPRO and have had our front door replaced and all of our windows. So the windows when we moved in here were really old school, the wood frames, single pane glass, and I mean it was freezing in the winter time, so we really just needed to upgrade everything. Our sales rep, Brian, he was fantastic kind of showing us the huge selection you guys have, and it was fantastic to be able to pick and choose everything on the iPad, and like he would show us how everything was going to look. I absolutely loved the way everything came out. I mean, the seamless picture of all of our windows installed from both outside and in is just so beautiful. And the front door, being able to have that like rich red color on the front really just brought to life like how I wanted the whole entryway to look, and it's actually wonderful to just kind of like drive by our house now and have this beautiful look on the outside of the house. Inside the house, it's definitely more comfortable, especially sitting down here, whether it's, we're having people over or just, my husband and I just kind of hanging out, we notice it's much more comfortable year round. If anything, it's just easier to like be able to clean the windows and swap everything out when we need to for that seasonal change. I would absolutely recommend NEWPRO. You guys are so efficient at communication. You come out, the sales rep will always explain all of your options, all of the price breakdown, so nothing is hidden or misunderstood. And day of installation, I mean, it's absolutely seamless. The workers come out, they give you a whole breakdown on what the day is going to look like for whatever project you're doing. And I mean, the work speaks for itself. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, NEWPRO.